Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to choose Display and Brightness over here and tap on Text Size and Weight. Now swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview at the top. And when you're ready, select the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!